and I am here with Lauren. So today we decided to do an awesome collab video because it's like 2015 and we're like, how do we make 2015 awesome? Because like, I know for YouTubers, 2015, like not January, it's a difficult month.
It's a really hard month. Let's be realsies.
Like, you're like, what videos do I do? It's the new year, like new me,
new year, new videos.
So we thought that we would do an awesome video showing you guys 10 ways to make 2015 awesome. Today we're gonna show you guys some healthy foods, and not even just healthy, just like awesome foods that make you feel good. And
they all taste really good.
They taste
like
amazing.
Super, super good. They passed the Laura and Ava taste test 100%.
She's Canadian. Time to go to the washroom. If Sierra and Josh are watching this, they're gonna be like, yeah. So today we have some foods to show you guys that we think are awesome, and then we also have some tips on how we think 2015 can be awesome by doing them. And we also have some DIYs for you guys. Whoop, whoop. So after you watch this video, be sure to go and check out Lauren's video. And without further ado, let's get started.
That was good.
It's like, hopefully it goes that way. I always do it that way and then it goes that way.
Okay. You can change the way it goes.
Yeah, but then it sometimes looks weird if it comes from like, you know.
So I don't know a better way to start off the new year than with some food. These little fruity panini types of things are awesome, especially if you kind of hate like wheat bread. You want to make it taste a little better. So the first thing that you're gonna do is toast a piece of bread, and I'm picking wheat bread. Then on top I spread some Nutella, and then over it I'm adding whatever fruit I want. For this one I'm adding some kiwi and some blueberries. And then I'm topping it off with honey because, you know, honey makes everything better.
I never thought I would deliver no.
And that's it, you're done. And you have this really awesome breakfast or lunch, and it's amazing, it's really healthy, and it tastes great. The cool thing about this is you guys can make a ton of different versions of it with different types of fruit. I really like bananas and peanut butter, and they're perfect for taking on the go, walking to school, or even driving because they're not gonna fall apart. Trust me, they're gonna stay nice. And guys, these are delicious.
Okay, hold up, wait a minute.
So one thing that I've been doing a lot more recently is taking more baths. This sounds kind of gross. I take showers, guys, I promise. Recently, I've been taking a lot more baths and spending time with myself, reading some books in the bath, brewing some nice tea, and it makes me feel so relaxed just lighting some candles and unwinding with a mask and some cute pajamas. Set your phone outside of the bathroom, don't touch it, don't be on Tumblr, don't be on Pinterest, Twitter. Whenever I'm really stressed out and I have like a lot of stuff going on and I want to like scream, I just go in the bath, and it really helps me just kind of be with myself and like have little thoughts inside of my head and just relax.
Guys, I look like Kermit the Frog because my face is green. But that's none of my business.
So the next thing I'm teaching you guys how to make is a bonsai bowl. If you're from California, you know what it is. So what you'll need is some frozen yogurt, frozen strawberries to keep that nice consistency, and then whatever fruit you want to add in, and some ice cubes.
They come creeping.
Put that in a blender and blend it all up. It's kind of hard with the consistency, but just make sure you kind of stab it with a fork so it all blends easily. Put that in a bowl and you've got this really nice kind of fruity, tarty, frozen yogurt, froyo type of thing. And then on top, you're going to want to cut some bananas, cut some strawberries, and put them around the edge, and it looks so cute, guys. It reminds me of like Bonsai Bowl or Jamba Juice.
Just another week in Miami.
And then typically Bonsai Bowl adds blueberries and granola on top and then tops it all off with some honey. And this is the most amazing way to get fruit intake in your body. It's gonna make you feel healthy and happy and good, and you're gonna want it every single day of your life. I swear. If I could do it, I would. Okay, so this next one is a DIY, and this is something that I've been doing every single day. So this is a memory jar. What you'll need are some glue, some Sharpies, and some labels, and then some scissors and some construction paper in a glass bowl. So first I'm taking my label and I'm making it look really cute by putting 2015 on it with a white Sharpie. Then I'm just gluing it onto my bowl. Then what I'm doing is taking my construction paper and I'm making little strips of paper so I could write down all of the nice memories that I had throughout the year. Like this one. So once you have all of your colorful construction paper cut out, that was a tongue twister, you're just gonna want to write down all of the cool stuff that happens to you every year. So every day you can add to it. Maybe you got an ice cream one day. That sounded super cheesy. You know, maybe you got, I don't know, a boyfriend, a bae. And you don't even have to add just pictures. If you have cool stuff like a Polaroid, maybe a New Year's party, maybe a subscriber's bracelet that she gave you, add them all in, and then at the end of the year you'll have this really full tub. Also, you can make a separate mason jar for your papers and keep a Sharpie nearby. The next thing we're making is some detox water, and I'm sure you guys have seen these all over Instagram or like Tumblr or whatnot, but these are awesome, especially if you're like me and you don't really like drinking water that much. It's just gonna help your water taste a lot better and be filled with antioxidants that are gonna make you wanna drink a lot more water. So just cut up your favorite fruits and vegetables. Some really good ones are cucumbers and blueberries and raspberries. They have great antioxidants. And then you can bring your detox with you on a run or just at school. And this is amazing because, guys, I am really bad at drinking water. One of my New Year's resolutions this year is to drink more water because I am always dehydrated and it's really bad. So this is a really tasty and really Instagram-worthy type of thing to help you guys drink more water. I don't even think I have anything left in here. It was so close to your face. The next thing that we're making is an inspiration bulletin board, and I got inspired to do this the other day when I was on Pinterest, and I realized that I pin so many things, but I never really live that lifestyle because I'm not on Pinterest when I wake up in the morning and I get ready and I go to school. If I really want to look amazing every day and travel more and eat better, I need to see it when I wake up to inspire me. So what I did was I went to Walmart and I just printed out some of my favorite photos on Pinterest and Tumblr. And if you want to follow my Tumblr and Pinterest, I'll link it down below so you guys can find my photos that I love. I also cut out some words from magazines and boom, you are done. Okay, so one thing that made my 2014 awesome was working with me and my boyfriend and my friends on this Together Let's list that I got off of Tumblr. I printed it out and it really inspires me to do a bunch of stuff that I wouldn't usually do that's also really fun and really picture-worthy and just really different. I'm always happy when my nightstand looks good, so we are going to decorate my nightstand. First up, gotta have some books. Also, frames with inspirational quotes in them always help me wake up on the right foot. So what I'm doing is I'm taking the inside of this frame, and then I'm taking this sparkly scrapbook paper, adding my inspirational quote on top of it, and it makes this gorgeous centerpiece for my nightstand, and I think it's so inspirational. And late at night when you're getting those like sad feels, like where is my life going? You can just look over and see this inspirational quote and you feel better. And then of course, I have to add a candle because candles are life. So I take my laptop with me everywhere, and one thing that is always super drab is my screensaver. So here's how to make your very own inspirational screensaver. The first step is to go on Pinterest or your favorite Tumblr blog and kind of just copy and download all of the cool pictures that you love. I got some of food, some of outfits, some of hair, and some of places I want to go. Then I just screenshotted my entire laptop so I have the dimensions correct, put it into PicMonkey, turned the background white. Then I imported all of my photos that I downloaded, adjusted them to how I wanted them to be, saved it, and then made it my screensaver. This is awesome because, like my inspiration board, I get so much inspiration to live my life better, but I don't have my inspiration board everywhere I go, but I do have my laptop. You guys can even do this for cell phones. You can put pictures of places you want to travel, outfits you want to recreate, and it really helps you kind of get a little reminder in your head to always be awesome. And with that, those are my 10 ways to make 2015 your year. Awesome, because I'm excited. I know that, like, thank you. Which is rude. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and got some awesome tips on how to make 2015 awesome.
Even better.
Yeah, even better, because I know it's gonna be awesome for you guys. I'm excited.
I'm so excited.
I don't know what's in store for 2015. Like,
big things.
I have
big
things
things
poppin'. Big things poppin'. Little things stoppin'.
Thought it was dropping. Stopping?
I don't know. Now that you've seen my video, be sure to go over to Lauren's channel, Lore DIY, and check out her video because it's awesome, and there's even more 10 amazing tips on how to make 2015 amazing, awesome. So I love you guys, and I guess I will see you guys very soon. Bye. Paris, can you move mountains?
Oh,
You got my attention, baby, gon' do what you do. Eviction notice, now you gon' have to make a move. All this ice in my rolling, no wonder I play it cool. Ain't no I in team, but I got my eyes on you. I watch it bounce when she